Hello YouTube, so today I'm unboxing the Amd Ryzen 1600AF processor. I purchased this on the 7th of January 2021 and it cost me £112.50 with shipping costs. There you see, shiny new box. So let's get on to the unboxing. I'm going to use the knife here. Trying to stab myself. The installation instructions. And the cooler. You see? And the process. Okay. Now let's get unboxing of the shiny new chip. Then we'll lift this flap up, try not to damage any of the pins, because they are quite delicate. And there you go, shiny new AMD chip. See? Still on the back, there are the pins. So this is actually a second generation Ryzen processor released in October 2019. Even though it has the first generation naming, unlike the original Ryzen 1600 processor, this has been manufactured on the 12 nanometer process rather than the 14 nanometer process. It makes it more efficient and more powerful. On average, it's about 5% faster. Apart from those differences, it just shares the same specifications. Both have 6 cores, 12 threads. Both have a base frequency of 3.2 gigahertz and with a boost up to 3.6 gigahertz. This is a great little chip for its price and performance. So if you'd like to buy one, I'll put a link in the description below to one on Amazon. So yeah, whilst I'm here, I'll get out the cooler so you can all see the cooler. Fairly standard AMD cooler there, see? Back got pre-applied thermal paste at the back. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, it means a lot. And if you'd like to stay updated, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, see you later.